Spelling word number 1. Spell the word able. Able means having the power, skill, or means to do something. Here's an example sentence. She is able to solve difficult math problems. Again, spell the word able. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 2. Spell the word table. Table means a piece of furniture with a flat top and one or more legs, used for eating, working, or playing games. Here's an example sentence. We worked on the table. Again, spell the word table. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 3. Spell the word simple. Simple means easy to understand, do, or carry out. Here's an example sentence. The instructions for assembling the toy were simple. Again, spell the word simple. Timer starts now. Spelling word number 4. Spell the word puzzle. Puzzle means a game or activity that challenges the mind. Here's an example sentence. The crossword puzzle in the newspaper was tricky. Again, spell the word puzzle. Timer starts now. Number 5. Listen and rearrange the words below to create a sentence. The sentence is: She has a simple puzzle on the table. She has a simple puzzle on the table. She has a simple puzzle on the table. She has a simple puzzle on the table.